This looks big on camera, but it's actually a really small hornet nest. It's about as big as my hand. See, this is my hand for scale. My hand's not super big or anything. I say this is a smaller one because I've been taking care of nests that are as big as my head and doing those recently. But still got to be careful. This nest was very active with bald-faced hornets, and I just shook some out. And they've been treated. That's why they're all white like this. It's pretty nest. And then here is where all the life happens. This is where everything happens. This is what they take care of. So you can see all different stages of life. You can see some larvae right here. And then once the larva is ready to change, it'll spin a cocoon like these. And then once they change, they transform into this guy right here. And they chew their way out.